Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make an unlimited steak farm in Minecraft. This incredible design provides an endless supply of cooked beef and leather, making food worries a thing of the past. We'll cover everything from the basic concept to the detailed construction, ensuring you can build this efficient farm in your own world. Get ready to automate your food production and enjoy a constant stream of resources with minimal effort. To build this farm, gather essential materials like sturdy building blocks, a dispenser, and one lava bucket. For collection, you'll need several hoppers and at least one chest. Automation requires redstone dust, a comparator, and a repeater. Most importantly, you'll need at least 2 cows to begin your breeding operation. These components form the backbone of your efficient, automated steak and leather production system. First, construct a small breeding chamber, usually 1 by 1 block wide and 2 blocks high, to contain your cows. Place a dispenser directly above this chamber, ensuring it faces downwards. Inside the dispenser, put your lava bucket. Below the chamber, set up a collection system using hoppers that feed into a chest. This setup ensures all drops are automatically collected, maximizing your farm's efficiency and resource gathering. Automate your farm by connecting the dispenser to a simple redstone clock. This clock will periodically activate the lava, which quickly cooks any adult cows, yielding cooked steak and leather. The hoppers positioned beneath the chamber will then automatically collect all these valuable drops, depositing them directly into your chest. This fully automated system offers a highly efficient and completely passive food and leather source, requiring almost no player interaction.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.